how to use Shopify and TikTok together for organic traffic. Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use Shopify and TikTok together for organic traffic in 2025. The key is not paid ads. It's building TikTok content that feels native to the platform. Start by creating short, relatable videos that showcase your product in action, like unboxing, tutorials, or quick before and after clips. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and captions so the algorithm picks you up, but keep the product front and center. Then link your TikTok profile directly to your Shopify store through the TikTok shop integration on your bio link so people can buy instantly. Consistency matters. Posting daily or a few times a week helps the algorithm trust you. To maximize reach, engage with comments, stitch or duet related content, and jump on trends while they're still fresh. Done right, you'll generate organic traffic that converts without spending a single dollar on ads. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.